Hello YouTube friends, Dr. Teresa. I have circled a couple of dwarf seahorses here who are on the verge of mating. There's been a lot of mating activity in the aquarium and lots of births. It doesn't look like much is happening right now, but before this there was a lot of pouch pumping by the male, a lot of signals to point up. And this is the final ascent. Here we go. They pointed up and you can see that they're lined up. The male is on the left. His tail bends back as the female gets very close and deposits her ovipositor tube in the male's pouch. And basically she's dropping a ton of eggs in his pouch. So she's getting super skinny fast and he's going to have a nice full belly. They spend days preparing for this event, and you can see it's over in seconds. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care.